In a world where a college degree often seems like a golden ticket to success, there exists a hidden realm of opportunities. Formal education takes a backseat, and the driving force is talent, determination, and a willingness to break the mold in this realm. Welcome to the 10 highest paying jobs in the USA without a college or university degree. So, if you've ever dreamt of a life free from student loans, prepare to be captivated because the possibilities are endless. The rewards are beyond your wildest imagination if you have the courage to pursue your dreams. Number 10. Actor. Actors are professionals who work in theaters, films, or television shows. Their role is to interpret a writer's script and represent several characters to an audience on stage or on screen. Reading scripts, auditioning, researching their characters, memorizing and rehearsing lines, and executing their roles are all part of their work. Much of an actor's job entails hunting for work and long periods of unemployment while waiting for a break. Famous actors and actresses used to have another job while pursuing their dream of acting. So, don't be afraid to go for your dreams. Just be prepared to have another full-time job to support your living and your dreams. The median salary of acting profession is $46,960. Number 9. Glazier. Glaziers are craft experts who cut and install glass in a wide range of structures, from cottages to skyscrapers. It's a physically demanding job compared to most other jobs. Glaziers work with enormous pieces of heavy glass and spend a lot of time outside, sometimes many floors up. An increasing number of women and senior glaziers can be observed on construction sites, thanks in part to technological developments in tools and lift systems. Glaziers have a high rate of job-related injury, including cuts and falls from ladders and scaffolding. Although most glazier jobs just require a high school graduation, businesses are increasingly looking for applicants with math and design skills, as well as experience with complex construction equipment. As a result, many jobs now necessitate multi-year training and apprenticeships. In general, the most difficult and well-paying jobs require working on high-rise buildings. Glazier employment is expected to expand by 4.0% between 2021 and 2031, according to the Bureau of Labor Statistics. An estimated 2,300 additional positions should become available over that time span. Median salary, $47,180. Number 8. Cement mason and concrete finisher. Concrete finishers work with poured concrete and cement masons work with completed concrete to undertake specialized masonry work. Concrete finishers work on foundation slabs, sidewalks, roadways, curbs, and other ground-level constructions by pouring wet cement into various forms. Cement masons use the completed cement forms and mortar to build walls and other above-ground structures. The cement mason's work begins where the concrete finisher leaves off. The occupations are typically performed outside on construction sites and can be physically demanding. While required abilities are the same across the country, local working conditions are influenced by construction standards and weather. Knowledge of cement qualities, especially how varying weather conditions may affect the pouring, leveling, setting, and finishing procedures, is required. Cement masons who undertake decorative finishing work need design expertise. Commercial projects might take years and require more specialized expertise, but residential projects can be completed in a matter of days. The Bureau of Labor Statistics forecasts job growth of -3.4% for cement masons and concrete finishers between 2021 and 2031. During this period, approximately 6,400 jobs will be lost. Median salary, $47,340. Number 7. Solar photovoltaic installer. Solar photovoltaic installers assemble, deploy, and maintain solar panels, which convert the sun's rays into energy, on rooftops and other buildings. The solar industry has proven to be a growing industry which creates sustainable energy. The Bureau of Labor Statistics predicts a job growth of 27.2% for solar installers between 2021 and 2031. During that time, approximately 4,600 jobs are expected to be created. Median salary, $47,670. Number 6. Licensed practical and vocational nurse. Licensed practical nurses or licensed vocational nurses provide basic medical care under the direction of doctors and registered nurses. They perform tasks such as taking care of the wound, changing the patient's dressing and inserting the catheter. They regularly check the patient's blood pressure, organize care for patients and listen to their concerns. Their scope of activities can vary depending on their training, occupation and the state in which they work. For example, some licensed practical nurses can administer medication or initiate an intravenous infusion, while others have more limited mandates. Nurses are no longer just at the bedside. They can work online, in offices, in hospitals, on dialysis, in prison, and so on. Licensed practical nurses typically work 8 to 16 hours a day, depending on their location. Licensed practical nurse programs are shorter than registered nurse programs. While nursing assistants usually do not perform a higher level of skill than registered nurses, they certainly play an important role in patient care. The Bureau of Labor Statistics predicts job growth of 6.3% between 2021 and 2031. During that time, approximately 41,300 jobs are expected to be created. Median salary, $48,070. Number 5. Carpenter. Carpenters use a variety of math skills to complete construction projects and other manual tasks. From basic math for calculating floor area and wall height, to more complex trigonometric formulas for making right-angle cuts, carpenters in the USA are challenging the stereotype that they are more muscular than smart. Many carpenters work in the residential and non-residential construction industry. Unlike cement masons, who mainly pour, smooth and finish concrete floors, sidewalks, roads and curbs, carpenters mainly construct and repair building frames and structures such as stairs and door frame. The Bureau of Labor Statistics predicts job growth of 2.2% from 2021 to 2031. During that time, approximately 20,500 jobs are expected to be created. Median salary, $48,260. Number 4. Real estate agent. Real estate agents help their clients buy, sell or rent properties. They need in-depth knowledge of the markets and communities in their area to be able to advise clients on issues ranging from how to correctly value their home to when to buy a house. Buyers agents guide buyers to the homes that best suit their needs by viewing properties with clients and negotiating offers with sellers. Listing agents help homeowners sell their homes in the shortest time possible by listing and marketing their homes on the internet and off the internet. Their off-the-internet activities include hosting open houses and talking to potential buyers and buyers agents. Most importantly, listing agents need great home valuation and negotiation skills to be able to get the best possible offers on their clients' houses in the shortest time possible. The most rewarding part of being a realtor is you play a very important role in making people homeowners. Successful real estate agents must leverage both the relationship, or customer service, aspect of their work, as well as the business and financial aspects. The Bureau of Labor Statistics predicts 5.3% job growth for real estate agents from 2021 to 2031. During that time, approximately 23,100 jobs are expected to be created. The median pay for the real estate agents is $48,340. Number 3. Equipment operator. Construction equipment operator drives excavator, dump truck driver, grader driver, steers paver and road roller for road construction and repair. With the recent focus on rebuilding the infrastructure in America, equipment operators are playing a central role. Equipment operators work hard outdoors, day and night, in all weather, and often work irregularly. They create and maintain the structures on which we depend on a daily basis, such as buildings, highways, and bridges. It could take years doing the right things, and correcting your mistakes to become a proficient equipment operator. Even as advanced GPS and laser technologies become commonplace with more construction companies, equipment operators are still indispensable. Companies often provide on-the-job training because these technologies are expensive and operators are inexperienced. The Bureau of Labor Statistics predicts job growth of 4.6% between 2021 and 2031. During this period, approximately 19,300 jobs are expected to be created. Median salary, $48,360. Number 2. Surgical technician. The surgical technician disinfects the operating room and arranges the instruments on the table to perform the procedure. Before surgery, the surgical technician may also place the patient on a table, cover them with a blanket, and prepare sterile medications and solutions. They may have to deliver a scalpel to make an incision or move tissue out of the surgeon's view with a retractor. They are also responsible for keeping the room sterile and counting instruments. In their supporting role, surgical technologists act as the surgeon's right hand during surgery, responding directly to the surgeon's needs and possibly suctioning the incision or suture the wound. After the procedure, the surgical technician can transfer the patient to the recovery room and retool the operating room. The Bureau of Labor Statistics predicts job growth of 5.9% between 2021 and 2031. During that time, approximately 6,500 jobs are expected to be created. Median salary, $48,530. Number 1. Bus driver. You have to be a people person to really enjoy the job of a bus driver. Communicating with people may be one of the best parts of the profession. Driving on the same routes every day can get boring sometimes if not for good relationships with passengers. Good days at work include sunny skies, pleasant joggers, and light traffic. The other side of the coin is icy roads, traffic jams, and overexcited students. Skilled drivers ensure safe travel in all situations, while meeting responsibilities such as fare collection and on-time route schedules. Most drivers have to fill out light paperwork to document trips, delays, and mechanical problems. The Bureau of Labor Statistics predicts 8.2% job growth from 2021 to 2031. During that time, approximately 13,100 jobs are expected to be created. Median salary, $48,620. Which job are you most interested in? Which career would you want me to talk more about? Comment below. This eye-opening journey through the 10 highest paying jobs in the USA without a college degree shows that the American dream isn't bound by diplomas and degrees. So, whether you're a high school graduate looking for your path or someone seeking a new direction in life, opportunities are boundless for you if you work hard. Share and subscribe for more videos like this.
Do you want to retire early? Do you love freedom? Do you want to work only 1 to 2 hours a day while traveling around the world and spend more time with your family? You can start stock investing and option trading right now.
If you want to know more about finance, stocks, options, real estate, crypto, check out our playlist: stock investing, stock trading, option trading, real estate, cryptocurrency.